general beauty issues of women, and the most disturbing and irritating one is the removal of unwanted hair. But baking soda is very useful in bringing a solution to these beauty issues of women. Today's video will discuss hair removal with baking soda. Is it safe? Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. There is different magical use of sodium bicarbonate, and one of it is the effective removal of unwanted hair permanently without having any harm to the skin. By using just these natural ingredients, you can remove hair from your arms, face, legs, and also from the vaginal area. There are many home remedies with baking soda that will serve you best in removing the unwanted hair. These magical remedies will remove unwanted hair and give you instant results by softening the skin as well. So here we have a look at the simple yet the effective home remedy for removing hair at home with a natural kitchen staple. Number 1. Baking soda and lemon. The first remedy doesn't only decrease the hair growth but lighten the dark part of your skin as well. When you use products with hazardous chemicals, dark spots develop on your skin. Therefore, using lemon and baking soda is one way to fix two issues. Ingredients: lemon juice, baking soda, water if required. Method: mix small portion of baking soda with a few drops of lemon juice. Add water to make a thick paste. Apply these mixtures on the affected part and let it sit for 15 minutes. Wash it off as you normally would. Number 2. Baking soda and coffee grounds. Coffee has shown positive effect when it comes to treating skin problems. You can use to eliminate excess hair. Ingredients: coffee grounds, baking soda, water. Method: take baking soda and coffee grounds in equal quantity. Add water and mix well. Apply thick paste on the chin, upper lip or arm and let it dry. Rub your skin gently and wash with lukewarm water. Number 3. Baking soda and water. This last recipe is perfect for women with busy routines. It requires only 2 ingredients to let the magic happen. If you are on a budget, this remedy will be more than enough for you. For better or quick result, you can leave it overnight on your skin as well. Ingredients: baking soda, water. Method: mix baking soda with water, apply it on your arms, legs or face, and rub your skin while washing it. It is not best to leave the maximum overnight on your face to avoid it. You can try it on legs or arms. Apply it at night and wash it in the morning. Wash your skin with lukewarm water and don't forget to use your regular moisturizer because the mild adhesive properties of baking soda may dry your skin. You can easily use this home remedy 3 times a week. Just after repeating this remedy for 1 week, unwanted hair will start to disappear. These are the simplest steps to get rid of unwanted hair with a natural home remedy. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.